All right, ladies and gentlemen, today is the day of the show. We are out here pumping gas real quick. Got the hatch all somewhat cleaned up. Got the RL cleaned up. Say what's up, bruh. Got the pocket bike inside the car, all cleaned up. Look at that! Look at that! Look at it! Look at it! Look at that! Woo! Nice and clean. But yeah, we are headed to the show right now. But yeah, we are headed out there. Just wanted to let you guys know. It is a beautiful day out today, so hope to see you guys there. All right, so we are here. We made it to the show. Luckily, we got very close to missing it. It is 12:45 around, and I think what registration ended at 12:30. And she luckily let us in. Very cool. Thank her for that. We're here at the registration desk, trying to get these cars registered, and hopefully everything goes well. I know I'm not winning nothing compared to whatever is out here. So
you know we're in the same class, right?
Hey. But yeah, we out here. I have no idea.
They ain't know where to pull up the Suzuki at.
Right? Alright, so we got registered. There's a lot of nice cars out here. A lot. So definitely guaranteed we're both losing, so. But yeah, I mean, it's all for fun though. Just try to get, especially just try to get the channel out there so everybody can see it. Both bikes rocking the stickers. So yeah, getting them in. Let's have a good time. GTR, the twin turboed. Nice.
Apex seals once in a while, but they don't last. The same thing with this one. It just doesn't last as long. Maybe
Full set turbo.
the more power you push, the more likely you are to blow.
This is the nicest Acura Integra you will ever see. Super clean.
Pressure plate. I had a problem. I blew the transmission up basically.
Nice sauce.
Oof. And then from taking it back and forth, you know,
Chase bay
got,
wire
like
tuck.
the engine is all painted, you know, but I got a lot
Individual
of
throttle bodies.
You know, a lot of the.
Oh man.
But I got it together last night, and I washed it today for the first time in like 5 months. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Carbon fiber door handles, carbon fiber everywhere.
I do have a lot into it, that's for sure.
Everywhere.
It's
Wow.
all, you know, all our
Kevlar seats.
Spend money on. You guys have something here?
Full wide body.
Nice. I haven't had a chance to really get down here and take a look at anything yet.
Duckbill carbon fiber trunk.
Play area.
That's his bed over there. That's my son.
Oh, nice, nice.
Beautiful. Even carbon fiber top.
The Corvettes are pretty cool too.
This thing has a lot of money into it. A lot of money into it.
You know, different Corvettes. See your fair share of different Corvettes in there.
Where do you work at?
Pretty nice. Undercoating on the engine bay. Whistlers. Pretty nice. Of course, you know I gotta get this lineup. This is Jason's SI. The Boost Life. The Boost Life. Woo.
Daddy's kind of using both hands at the moment, okay? Maybe about another 20 minutes. Is that okay? Is that fine? Maybe I'll hold it in between. I know.
Between this guy right here and Justin, they have the lowest freaking EG coupes around. Like, these things are like, how did one guy say it's dirt nasty?
Not me. I don't know what you're talking about, sir.
are dirt nasty low, yo. That's crazy. The sacrifices you have to make to be low. That's crazy though. I just don't get how you have a full exhaust. I don't know. I don't know how. Jesus Christ. Like super tucked in, ain't?
It gets ripped off about every 2 weeks usually.
Oh man, you see, I would have just dumped it out the hood.
Coat hangers saved my life. You know what I mean? You make your own hangers. You know, it's nice.
Hell yeah.
Very, very nice.
Mm. $350. Go boost the Suzuki. That tiny little turbo. And this thing makes power. That's the crazy part.
Okay.
It don't?
You can't keep up with me.
What? Nah.
Bruh, you can't.
With this one?
With this.
Wow. Cleanest old school car you will ever see. Super clean. Like I said, always this will be a dream car of mine. S2000. The Supra. Beautiful, must say.
We didn't put that on the V? No, but 2 of them on there. I'm putting one on a 4-door. Oh, that's nice.
Nice.
No,
That's sick, eh?
probably fucking right. Yeah.
This is the owner here. You said Poor Man Mods, right?
4-man mods.
Poor Man Mods. Check him out, his channel. Definitely check him out, y'all. This is insane. This is insane.
It's only making 320 right now.
Wow.
Side exits.
The drift car?
Yeah.
Nice.
We're about to get out of here. It's good meeting you.
Alright, man. Nice to meet you too.
Take care.
They calling Alex out in the tib. Oh, snap. Right hand drive. I'm pretty sure this has been on the channel before. Pretty sure. Sparkle wheels. Alright, so I'm actually gonna be heading out of here. I gotta go. I am gonna try to come back because I have to go pick my son up. But I'm gonna see if I can make it back. I'm gonna try. So, 'cause there's still more cars out that way that I wanna get. And yeah, hopefully I can make it back on time so that I can get the rest of the cars before everybody starts to leave.
So, as you can see, you're not the normal person working the camera right now. But, let's get some cars. I like this. Couple nice bikes out here.
They've never been to her butt wasn't smiling.
Camaro looking clean as ever. You can see this is one of the main lineups up here. Look at this monster. You like that one? You got the little replica? Oh. Yeah. Hold on. No, you're not getting it. Look at this one. Damn, this bowl was nice. And this 7. I'm right here. This thing is. Bag life. Garfield.
Yeah, you don't need I'll stay here. Watch the baby. Watch the baby sleep.
Wow.
Show this year, you give me 2 Well, at least we're in. I'm not there. I'm going,
Damn, this thing is. My competition for the tip. Well, the Road Runner, still clean as ever. Bro. Yeah, Sonic.
Why take true favor?
Wow. Omar, look. Could I have your cord still? It's clean. Say hi. Check him out on Instagram and YouTube.
What kind of power do you make?
Check out this nice soul out.
That's your pick?
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I am home. Had a great time. Definitely want to thank Alex for taking over the camera. Great job, man. Got good clips, for sure. Also, big thanks to my nephew, little nephew Alize. Thank you very much. Love the shirt. All day, every day. Mr. Domo. Get it right. Thanks a lot, little man. Also, big shout out to Calvin. My man came through. Finally managed to get this Skunk 2 shifter, which he's been trying to get to me for a little while. I'm glad we met up today for sure. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for his channel and for his Instagram. Check his E30 out. Super sick build that he has on it. We are gonna, in the future, there's gonna something's gonna happen between me and him that we're gonna try to get together. Shh, that'll be a hush hush for now. But yeah, definitely go check out his channel though. Nice E30 he got, really nice. So I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. I am out of here on this nice day that I had. So if you liked the video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. I'm out.